Now to launch the virtual machine, whatever we are now doing, it is now in graphical form, using the Mozilla Firefox. Open the Firefox Mozilla, and type the IP address 172.16.0.1 and then type the username as demo, and password as Openstack. Then it will show Ubuntu Openstack dashboard. Check all the tab. First is the overview, it shows all the project ID if any project is there. Then next is instances, obviously it will shows all the instances which are already launched. In the Services tab, it shows all the services, like Nova, Glance, Volume, EC2, Swift, and Keystone, with their respective services. Keystone can be considered to be as a native backend. And the IP address of each services means where is this service launched. Next is flavors. Here, you can see the following types of virtual machine types can be deployed, means if you choose M1 large, then 8 virtual CPUs, memory of 16 GB, and root hard disk size of 10 GB are automatically assigned. Similarly, rest of the types are mentioned with their default virtual CPU, RAM and hard disk. Next is the Images tab. There you can see the images, with the kernel ID and the machine image ID. Since we have registered only one image, it is showing the machine image ID of simple image. Now move to users, it shows all the users, with the ID and also, with the email address. You can add the users here and can log in using these users. Next is quota, these are pre-configured disk quota. Now move to the project, we're going to create a new instances here. Since we have not launched till now any virtual machine, it is showing blank here. First we need to allow TCP port number 22 to 22, that is SSH. And port number 80 to 80, that is for HTTP, and also TCP port number 8080. And ICMP packet -1 to -1. Okay, now we had done adding all the security rules in the default group. Just below is the key pairs section. You can create key pair from here. Give the key pair name as live or anything you like, and download and save it to the directory download. Now, next are images and snapshot. In this you can see all the snapshots of the virtual machine if any, along with the details analysis of the images. You need to click on this Launch button, then a new Windows pop-ups, and then give the name of the virtual machine, like Ubuntu Machine 1, and then select the type of the virtual machine you want to launch. Then select the key pair that you have created before from the list, and then use the default security group, and then click on Launch. After that you are automatically redirected to the Instances and Volume tab. There you can see the new virtual image, with a public IP and its state, either it is running or pending. And then after 2 minutes it will shows the private IP for instances. And lets us now create another virtual machine with name as Ubuntu Machine 2, and before that create another key pair as name, Life 2. And procedure to launch the another instance is same, just the difference is now the key pair for the virtual machine is now the Life 2. In the instances and volume, it will shows all the instances, and the volume if any, attached to the instances. Okay, now here we have launched both the virtual machine. Let us now use both the virtual machine. Go to Terminal, and to add the instances using port number 22 or SSH. First go the download directory, because you had downloaded key pairs in this directory. Okay, now to launch the instances, command is SSH, then the key pair name and then the host name of the machine, that is Ubuntu, and then the IP address. And then press enter. Similarly, open another terminal, and do the same procedure to launch the instance, which is showing there in the Ubuntu OpenStack dashboard. Okay, now, here we have launched both the virtual machine. Now let us run the basic Linux command, like pinging the machines. Make directory, change directory on both the machine. Purpose to do so is that I want to show you these instances will work like a duly installed Linux machine.